Ever faced issues with your X-ray system not turning on or giving poor image quality? Radiography equipment, like any other machine, can sometimes be temperamental, posing challenges even to the most seasoned radiographers. But don't panic. There's always a solution waiting to be uncovered. Firstly, if your system won't turn on, the initial step is to check power connections and confirm that the power source is functional. Is the power switch in the correct position? If yes, it's time to inspect the fuses and consider replacing them if necessary. Now onto image quality issues. Blurry images can often be a result of obstructions on the X-ray tube or detector, so take a moment to check these areas. If your images have low contrast, try adjusting the contrast settings on the control panel. Artifacts on images often indicate the need to clean the detector surface and inspect for damage. Overexposed or underexposed images. This could be a signal to adjust your exposure settings or check the X-ray generator. Software malfunctions can also be a culprit. In these situations, restart the software and the entire system. Check for software updates and install if necessary. And remember, proper calibration of the imaging system is crucial. Network connectivity issues can also be a headache. Verify your network cables and connections, restart network equipment such as routers and switches, and check network settings on the digital radiography system. Mechanical or hardware problems are another area to consider. Inspect moving parts for any signs of damage or obstruction. Lubricate components if needed and check for loose cables or connections. If you're seeing error messages, record them and consult the system manual for guidance. Don't hesitate to contact technical support or the system manufacturer if necessary. Calibration and alignment are key for accurate image results. Perform regular calibration checks and ensure the alignment of the X-ray tube and detector is correct. Dose-related issues can be tackled by monitoring and calibrating radiation dose settings and ensuring the correct exposure factors are selected. Environmental factors also play a role. Check the temperature and humidity levels in the room and ensure proper ventilation for the system. Last but not least, user training is essential. Make sure that operators are adequately trained on the system and that proper usage procedures are reviewed and reinforced regularly. In summary, when faced with issues in your radiography equipment, consider the power source, image quality, software, network connectivity, mechanical or hardware problems, error messages, calibration, alignment, dose-related issues, environmental factors, and user training. Remember, every problem has a solution. Happy radiographing!